guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me Susanna and welcome back to today's video. And in today's video I'll be doing a different video today, not like the others. For today is different. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do conrow on natural hair. As you can see that hair, okay, can see that looks nice, right? So today's video I thought of sharing with you on how to do conrow or natural hair. Yes, so if you're not my YouTube channel, please, if you come across this channel, please subscribe. Just the red button is down here for subscribe, and also for like, and also for share, and also for download, all down here. So please subscribe and share, because I'll be giving you all the goodies. Okay, so as you can see, this hair is already divided from the rest of the hair. As you can see, the line is here. So this one, I'm going to use this one as the example on showing you guys how to do it. I'd already made one is here, it's here, as you can see that. Don't know whether you can see, yeah, you can see that I'd already made that. Damn, that hair has grown so fast, you know. So this is how to do conrow. Mostly if you don't know how to do conrows or natural hair, okay, as you start with dividing your hair. So this is the hair, like this is the one you're going to do the lines. Okay, so we start with parting the hair. You know, you section your hair 3 times. You make sure you section it 3 times, because that's what you're going to use for starting a conrow. Yes, so this is the hair you're going to use for, you know, starting a conrow. Like one on your left, one in the middle, and one on the right. Okay, so these are 3 sections of the hair. As you can see that these are 3 sections of the hair. Can you see that? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so there is this one. Okay, and now we are going to start with these 3 sections to move backwards. You know, moving backwards, you have to be use, you know, the 3 finger tips, you know, to be hiding your the hair while going backwards. Okay, so let's do that. So as for me, I do like using this. Mostly my left hand is the one I use to, you know, do it quickly, because it really brings it neatly. If I do with my right hand, it won't go well. Okay, so let's do this. You are going to use the first 3 sections as we divided. So I take down of the left hand, as you can see that, put it in the middle. You make sure you catch the hair from the front part, put it in the middle, as you can see that, and then bring it again like that, and bring the one of the left hand also like that, and then take it the other way Okay, I don't know whether you guys can see well, but I think I have to show you well. Okay, so first, like mostly for the beginners, as in if you don't know how to, do it, you have to section your hair 3 times like this. This is 3 times, and then for me, I normally use my left hand so fast in doing anything. So this is how you're going to do. You bring this one, bring the other one like that, bring, put it back again, the left one, the right one, like that, like that, bring it again, put it, the right one, the left, the center, like that. So you can see that how it is how it is coming out. So let's do the other one. It's just very easy when you're interested in knowing it. It is very simple. Okay, so let's do the real conrow now. Okay, so we are doing the real conrow. You get the hair from the right hand, put in the middle, and then from the middle to the right, while you keep on adding your hair, as you can see that, moving behind, you keep on adding the hair. Yeah, so like, can see that you keep on adding the hair, and you make sure you tighten it so that it will look neat. So because if you don't tighten, it won't even stay for like a day, it will just come out. So you really need to tighten it very well. As you can see that, can you see that? I don't know whether you guys can see that. Can see that line, how it is coming out. So it has to be like that, be tight. Okay, so you keep on going backwards. If you keep on adding the hair, so it will be easy for you to move backwards. But if you stick on the hair that you've cast, it won't go backwards. So you have to keep your nails or adding the hair, and then you keep on moving the line behind, like you're going behind. You don't stick on one place, so it will be easy for you to move backwards. So, and also add the hair. And when you reach behind, you can also do like a twist, or you can also do like a boxed braids, which is still okay. So for me, I prefer to do just like a box braids. Okay, okay, so we are behind and we are doing box braids. Can you see that, guys? You just do it, one in the middle, the other one, put it in the middle, remove it, put it, remove it. You keep on putting the other one after the other one. Okay, So you can see that. See that? Just very simple. Just the way you are doing conrow is the way you have to do this one at the ends while going backwards. So this is it, how it should look like. So can you see that? Yes, it's nice, right? So we have tried it, okay? So it's just very easy to do the cornrows as long as you are interested. It won't take you even a month to learn it. So just like that, just very simple, okay? Oh shoo, guys, it is tiring, you know. The hand gets tired. Hope you guys are seeing that the way I'm doing, like just one after the other, one after the other. Just like that. Yep, just like that. So there, here. So we are getting done already. We are done. Not we are getting done. So I want to show you the steps you have to take. So like I said at the beginning, this is the hair. You see, you can see that. So you just have to divide it 3 times, section it 3 times. That's one, and then this is two. Okay, so you're going to start with the left one, and you hold all this part. You bring the left one and take the middle one and bring the right one, again, you do that again, like that, and then you continue doing the same thing just like that. I don't know whether you can see that, just like that. You continue doing the same thing. So I'm actually doing quick because my phone is warning, my battery is about to go off, so I don't want it to go off before I get done, before I show you guys how it is supposed to be. So you can see that how it is going. So it's supposed to go like you do it like the way you're doing the braids, the box braids. So just like that, as you can see that line is like you've done it the box braids, like these ones. Okay, so this is how it looks, the conrows. So from this side also, this how it is. From this side also, this is how it looks like at the ends. Okay, you can see that. So that's all I wanted to share with you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, don't forget to share the video to your friends, and also I will see you on the next video. Please, if you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. Bye, I will see you again.